anticipated Sign India exhibition show in ITPO Delhi 2024. Skycut India is the authorized distributor of Skycut cutting plotters in India. We are passionate about providing our customers with the best possible tools for their creative. We offer a wide range of Skycut cutting plotters, all designed with the latest technology and top-quality materials. These plotters are perfect for a variety of applications, including vinyl cutting, sign making, scrapbooking, and more. In addition to plotters, we carry a complete line of cutting accessories to ensure you have everything you need to get started. This includes blades, mats, and other consumables. We offer the best possible value for your money. Our Skycut plotters are known for their exceptional quality and durability, all at an affordable price. We understand the importance of timely delivery and reliable service. That's why we have established a robust infrastructure to ensure your products arrive safely and on time. Our mission is to provide commercial printers for sale, quality, economically priced office products, plotters, services and solutions, and deliver superior value to our customers so that we can earn their respect and loyalty. Skycut, thanking you for visiting our booth and making our journey so successful.